Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on when is the best time to meditate? Right now. Anytime. The best time to meditate is whenever it fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Common options include morning meditation. Start your day with a calm, focused mindset by meditating right after waking up or shortly thereafter. This is ideal for avoiding interruptions and distractions. Afternoon meditation. Use meditation as a midday break to recharge and refocus during busy schedules. Evening meditation. Meditate before bed to wind down and improve sleep quality. Experiment with different times to find what feels most natural and achievable to you. I have experienced meditating at various times throughout the day. I would highly recommend meditating whenever you have availability, whenever you think of it, whenever you can fit it in. And you don't have to do it all day, every day. It's great if you do. But finding 2 to 5 minutes a day to fit in meditation, I believe is possible. And I don't know, or I can say from my experience, I've not found a time that is any better than any other, except for what time is best for you. When it comes to morning meditation, I do like to and regularly meditate in the mornings. It's part of my daily routine. Some sessions are longer, some sessions are shorter, depending on what's going on in my day, but consistently I fit that in. Afternoon meditation. Anytime from midday to, I'd say maybe close to sunset, I would call afternoon. This is a common time where, hey, if you are getting off of work or you're done with school or picking up your children from school, this is a prime time to fit in meditation. And evening meditation at night, this is after dinner, before bed. Get out of the bed and meditate. I know some people meditate in the bed. I would recommend finding a firm surface as the bed will sink in and may cause some posture issues. So I would say out of these 3 time frames, if you're starting out, pick one or try them all and see what works best for you. The important thing is that it works for your schedule, your routine, and hopefully you find a time or a block of time that you can consistently dedicate towards your practice. And if all else fails, right now is the best time to meditate. Right now is always the best time to meditate. Let's bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils, and let's simply observe the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we exhale and we inhale and we exhale. Let's bring our awareness to the body. Let's relax the lower legs, relax the upper legs. Relax the pelvis and the hips. Relax the stomach. Relax the chest and the heart center. Relax the shoulders. Relax the jaw and the corners of the mouth. Relax the forehead. Let's bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils, and we'll simply observe the breath here. If you've taken this time out to meditate, great job taking advantage of this time. Namaste.